While setting up the broadcast messages for your business, you need to make sure that your messages are delivered with a high delivery rate, because then only it is going to make sense to send the WhatsApp broadcast messages to all your bulk contacts in once for your business growth. So here on my screen, you can see an automated WhatsApp message that I've sent to all my customers in bulk, that too in one click with the WhatsApp broadcast messaging trick. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you this amazing broadcast trick using which you can increase your delivery rate and send the automated WhatsApp message to all your contacts in bulk. So here on my screen, you can see a personalized WhatsApp message that I've sent which says, "Hi demo user." So basically it contains my customer name, and the rest one is the template message that I've created using this amazing all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. So now here to set up this WhatsApp broadcast messaging, we are going to use an amazing all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And to access the Chatflow, you need to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And now here, if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this discount code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently it is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. Alright, now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the Access Now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So to connect yours, click on this Add WhatsApp Number button, and you can see two methods. One is WhatsApp Connect and the other one is Manual Token Connect. So here, if you wish to learn about any of the method in detail, then you can watch out the video links available in the description box below for the same, or else you can watch it on our YouTube channel as well. Now let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So here, if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel and in the description box as well. So as you know that in this video, we are going to learn how you can set up the broadcast message using Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you need to access a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. But here, before accessing this particular feature, let me tell you that I have already mentioned that I'm going to send the template WhatsApp message to all my customers. So in order to send the template message, you need to create a template first inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. But if you don't want to send the template message, then you don't need to worry, you can send the regular type of message as well. But to learn about that process separately, you need to stay with me till the end of this video. Alright, so now here to create the template first, you need to access the template section available over here in the left side bar. I have already accessed mine, and here you can see the number of approved templates, number of pending, draft and rejected templates as well. So these are the templates that I've created, and these are the status over here. So once the status is approved, then only you can use that template to send the automated WhatsApp messages to all your customers or leads. So I've created a template with the name New Updates. So this is the message that I've drafted, and you can see the status of my template is approved. So now here to create a new one, you need to click on this Add Template button. Then you are going to receive two options. One is Add Template and the other one is Generate with AI. So here, by using this amazing all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, you can create new templates with the help of an AI as well by selecting this option. But to create it manually, you need to select Add Template button, and it will direct you to a new template window. Here you need to add all the template details, then click on the Submit button, and automatically your template will be created. And now here to learn about this template creation process in detail, you can watch out the video that is available on our YouTube channel for the same, or you can directly click on this Learn More hyperlink available over here. Alright, so now here to creating the template, you need to access the another feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. Now under this broadcast section, you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live sent and scheduled broadcast as well. So now here to create a new one, you need to click on this Add Broadcast button, and it will direct you to a WhatsApp broadcast section. Here you need to select the type as broadcast campaign from the drop down. Then we are going to give the name to our broadcast, that is New Updates. and then it is asking us to select the contact list. So here we need to select the contact list to whom we want to send this WhatsApp message. So here I already have my customer details in Google Sheets to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So you can see my customers detail. So now here, in order to send the WhatsApp message to these customers, I need to add these customers as a new contact inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. And here to create a new contact, we are going to access this contact section available over here in the left side bar. Now under this contact section, here in the left side bar, you can see some existing contact list, and to create a new one, you need to click on this add contact button. Then you can see two options. One is add single contact and the other one is add bulk contacts. So to add the single one, you need to add these details over here, and to add the bulk contact, select this option, and here you need to upload the CSV file. But as you know that I have the data in a Google Sheets format, so what we are going to do is that we are going to download this data in a CSV format. For that, click on this file option, select download, and download the file in a .csv format. After downloading the file, upload the same file over here. Then a URL will be updated. Then update this duplicate record settings and click on this add contact button. Automatically the bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Once the contacts are created, you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I already have inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So I'm going to select that particular list. You can select multiple lists as well. For now, I'm going to use one only. Alright, then it is asking us to select the message type. So you can see two options. One is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. So as I've already mentioned that I'm going to use pre-approved template message, but to send the regular message, select this option, then select the message type from the drop down. And if you're adding a text, then you can have a preview for the message that you are going to send in the right side of this particular section. So this was the option for regular message. For now, I'm going to select pre-approved template message, and as you know, this is my template that I have created. So here I've used a variable in the place of the name because I want whenever my customer is going to receive this message, then automatically the one variable value should be replaced with my customer's name so that my customer received a personalized WhatsApp message. So now here, to make this field permanently dynamic, what we are going to do is that we are going to use another feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is contact custom fields from the settings. Under this, you can see 4 global fields that are name, mobile number, last name and the first name. But if you're using an old account, then you might have more contact custom fields. For now, as you know that I have used a variable in the place of the name. So we're going to copy the field name for the same and we're going to add it over here. Then we're going to click on this done, and with this we have successfully selected the template and made the variable permanently dynamic. Then here it is asking us to test the WhatsApp message that we are going to send to our wider audience by simply sending it on a phone number first. So here to test the message, I'm going to add my username, that is my name, and here we're going to add my phone number. Then we're going to click on the send test message and it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp, and you can see instantly we have received a new message where I've received the message with my name and the same template message. So with this, we have successfully tested this broadcast. After testing this broadcast, it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. So if you want to send this broadcast instantly to all your contacts, then you can select this no option, or else to schedule it for the later, select yes, and here you need to select a particular date and time format. So here for the date, you need to follow month, day, year, and for the time it's hour and minute. So now here, while selecting this date and time, make sure you're selecting a future date and time, because if you're selecting the past date and time, then it is going to send the message instantly to all your contacts. Alright, so now you have to select the date and time. I'm going to click on this add broadcast, and you can see we have successfully scheduled a new broadcast over here. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same by selecting this particular option, and here you can have the data of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. Using this data, you can analyze the broadcast message that you have sent to your customers or leads. Alright, so these were the very simple steps that how you can send the broadcast messages to all your contacts with high delivery rate. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available in the description box below. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this, you can create many such WhatsApp chatbots and AI assistants for your own business with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then please visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.